Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you an overview of how you can start demo trading on WhiteBIT crypto exchange. As you can see right now, I'm on the home page. I'm simply going to head on over to the products tab and then click on codes option. It will take us to this page here, and from here we have to click on get demo token. As you can see, this window will pop up. I have already created demo tokens. You will receive two demo tokens. The first one is Bitcoin DBTC demo token and the second one is Tether DUSDT demo token. Once you have created these tokens, all you have to do is activate them. First enter the DBTC code here and tap on activate option, and then do the same for the DUSDT. Once you have completed that, head on over to the balance and your demo tokens will show up here: DUSDT demo USDT and DBTC demo BTC. Then we have to transfer them. So from main balance we are going to transfer them to trade balance, and after that we are going to start trading. Another thing that I would like to point out here is that this demo balance only works with spot trading. You cannot use it for practicing on futures or margin trading. You can see this is the DBTC USDT trading terminal. So now we can start demo trading. And if you're still confused, so this is the knowledge base. I'll include the link in the description in case you have trouble setting up. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.